Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Honda Civic, as you can see on your screen, and this one is a Civic EF. The casting is by Hot Wheels. Now you might have figured it out. And this is from the line of those two-door crazy Civic hatchbacks, which came way back, and they were famous with tuners. So this has kind of those things, not completely like tune ready, but some features there. And even I have seen some people who collect these diecast cars. They have modified these Civics and they look damn good. So let's start the review. Starting from the front. Oh, before that, the paint. It's red. Red hot Civic. Solid red. Can't go wrong with a classic car. Up front, you've got the Honda badge, the headlamps. You can see it has got both the mirrors, windshield wipers, and that's it for the front. You do have like this pieces going on the grill, but nothing is painted. And if I'm not wrong, these were kind of rubber, so they were black. Again, if you want, you can detail them, obviously. Now, moving to the driver's side. Yes, it's a right-hand drive JDM car. These wheels have been there forever in Hot Wheels lineup, so nothing special about them. It's alright, but yep, just alright. So on the driver's side, you've got the big Civic sticker on the bottom, VTEC, Hot Wheels. There's no glass in the door here, so you can see the interior. It's done in black, nothing special there. It's a two-door, big window in the back for the hatchback. So got the sunroof, and if you see, you can see the big spoiler there. Yep, looks cool. Moving to the back, so the tail lamp isn't like, there is the tail lamp, but it isn't detailed. So you might want to add few details because it's red on red. So I don't know if it will be easier to add or it will be harder to add the details, but you can add the details. You got that big exhaust back there, which most of Civics or older Civics do, to make it sound loud, I would say. You got the place for number plate, but no number there. Again, a few more details and it would have looked so much better. Like if Hot Wheels decided to add a few more details, it would look so much better. Now moving to the passenger side, almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler cap on this side. So it's not a new casting, but I got it recently. So there are multiple colors available for this one. And yeah, if you like, if you're one of those guys who customize their, or who are good with paintbrush and stuff, I think it will be a nice place to make a custom Civic. Cuts all flat, get some white tires, put some camber in it, just like the actual car, you can customize it. Yeah, so overall, I would say it's a decent casting. Not the greatest mainline casting you can get, nothing like what Matchbox is doing these days. Like the details, even some Hot Wheels are coming with so nice details. But yeah, it has got potential, and it's a decent casting. That's what I think. Let me know what you think about this. And again, thank you for watching. Have a good day.